Hi, this is Steve at K-Witt's Fine Art Studio. Today, I'd like to show you how we clean our sanding blocks. And one thing we do for everyone that comes to attend one of Kay's workshops is we give them a sanding block to sharpen their pastels on. The sandpaper we use is, I pick it up at Home Depot. It's called 10X. It's 150 grit sandpaper. Let me show you how I clean them. We're moving over here to our utility sink in our laundry room, and I have two sanding blocks that are used that have pastel residue on them. Now, what I do beforehand is I find a trash can outside, and I'll clap two together and get the majority of the residue off down into the trash can. Then I'll bring the remaining sanding blocks into my sink, and I have, from our kitchen, I have a half and half solution of dishwashing soap and a dishwashing liquid and water in my container, and kind of a generic little scrub brush. So the first thing I do is I'll drench the sanding block with water, hose it off with my handy dandy hose, and then douse it with some detergent, and then scrub it with my handy dandy little scrub brush. You also want to get the sides. When you've got it nice and soaped up, then you want to run the water right straight on it, and you can use warm water. So you rinse it off good, set it to the side, and start on the next. So you hose it off good. Squirt it with some detergent. Scrub it around good with your scrub brush. Get the sides. Rinse it off good. Back in front. And then you leave them set up in your sink for all day or overnight, and you come back in the next day and they look like they're in brand new shape. Now, one thing I wanted to say to our workshoppers from the past is you can do this a number of times. I've never actually worn one out like doing this. The grit remains, which is really good for future sharpening. However, if you do need your sanding block replaced, the sandpaper on your sanding block replaced, bring it with you the next time you come to a workshop, and I'll be happy to take care of that for you. And so that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching.